So this happened. I mean, as you can see, I got into a pretty bad accident. So this video is just gonna be an update on me and the bike. Thank God, like I'm in one piece, and I can function properly. I was wearing full gear, so I'm big on AGAT. I would really recommend to wear your full gear like all the time, because you never know when it's gonna happen. I certainly didn't know that's gonna happen, but thank God, like, it saved me. So please, please, please wear your gear. It'll save you. It doesn't matter if it's hot, it doesn't matter if it's cold, it doesn't matter if it's heavy, just wear it. You'll thank yourself later if you got into an accident. Anyways, so for this bike, future, it's not going anywhere. In fact, I'm gonna do a full rebuild on it. I think next video is gonna drop tomorrow probably, as the first video of the rebuild series that we're gonna do on this bike. So if you enjoy rebuild videos, I guess I'm gonna have to make one, because I love this bike. Like, I just can't get rid of it and get a new one. So yeah, that was a pretty short video. Just want to give you an update on me and on Lightning. Yeah, stay tuned for the next video and to see more about it. And if you're wondering why I'm holding a laptop, I'm actually using the microphone connected to the laptop so I can record. I know I can do it in an easier way, but I was just in a hurry. So yeah, let's look at the bright side. I'm still alive, thank God. And this bike is gonna get a full rebuild. So more content and new look for the bike. So yeah, stay tuned for the next video, which is gonna be dropping tomorrow, I think. Don't hold me on that. But it's gonna be the first episode on rebuilding this bike. Yeah, ride safe. See ya.